Hello students, all students class 9, also class 9, 10 also, they can use this today's topic. What will today's topic? Topic will start Heron's formula. The area of the triangle will calculate in this formulas. Okay, let us start. So this is your Heron's formulas, right? Heron's formulas. So before that, we'll discuss Heron's formula. So before that, we'll discuss the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. Look at here. This is Heron's formula. Area of triangle is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C square root. Where S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Where S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So what is this? Look at here. This is a picture. This is a picture whose side A, this is B, this is C. So in a triangle, if three sides are given, then how can you calculate the area of the triangle? So in this case, ABC is given. So you have to calculate S. S is equal to semi-perimeter. S that is equal to semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter. Right? Semi-perimeter that is equal to P by 2. Where P is the perimeter. P is the perimeter. The perimeter by 2 semi-perimeter. First you calculate the semi-perimeter. Okay, then you put the that value. You have to put here S and S minus A, S minus B, S minus C square root. That is equal to this is area of the triangle. So also area of triangle if this is suppose this is your B and this is C, this is A. Understood? If AB is equal to AC in isosceles triangle, if AB is equal to AC in this picture, suppose this is your this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, the board is visible to you or not? Yes, the board is visible. So this AB. If AB is equal to AC and suppose this is your A and this is your A and this is your B, right? If the base is B and the equal sides are A, so in that case area is equal to 1 by 4 into B into square root of 4a square minus b square. So 4a square minus b square. So how can you calculate this one? This one also you can calculate by proof. Okay, you can prove. I can prove also, no problem. So this one will prove later. But now one more discussion needed here. If all sides are equal, if this is A, and this is A. In this case, if AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, then area of triangle ABC is equal to root 3 by 4 A square. Root 3 by 4 A square. Understood? This is root 3 by 4 A square. A means side square. This is root 3 by 4 A square and this is equal to 1 by 4 B into this one and this is your so three formula number 1. Okay, this is your area of the scaling triangle. Formula number 2, that is 1 by 4 into B into square root of 4a square minus b square, and the third is root 3 by 4 a square. Okay, this is area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle, and this is area of what? This is area of isosceles triangle. This is area of isosceles triangle, and this one is the area of this one is what? Scaling triangle. This is your scaling triangle. This is scaling triangle. So the three triangles are there. One more formula is main formula, the general formula. In general formula, that is equal to half base into height. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. One more formula. Okay. You remember all formulas because this is important. This is your height and this is your base. So this is base is given, right? And this is height. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. So area is equal to 1 by 2 into BC into AD. Suppose this is D. So that is equal to half. BC means B, AC means H. So half base into height. What is half base into height? Only one base is given and height is given. And one is when the two sides are equal, isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, base is given and the two equal sides are A and A, then the area is equal to half 1 by 4 B into square root of 4 square minus B square. Okay, this is the area of isosceles triangle. Similarly, area of scaling triangle, if A, B, C are three sides are given, then area of scaling triangle equal to, that is S whole into S minus A into S minus B into S minus B square root. The square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is your area of a triangle whose all sides are different values. Or A, B, C given, where A stands for semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter, you know, the sum of the perimeter means the sum of the all sides boundary line. Okay, so semi-perimeter means its half. So its half is this one. Okay, this is already, this is not, proof is not given, so no need to directly practical observation, and finally it is got that values. Okay, so you have to get in higher assess, you may get the proof, but only you have to remember this one only. This is area of the scaling triangle. So all four formulas are done. Area of scaling triangle. So first one is the Heron's formula. This is the Heron's formula. The first one. First one is the Heron's formula when the three triangles are sides are given. How can you calculate the area of the triangle? Okay. बुझी पारलो बेटा ये चारटा फॉर्मूला नोट करो. ओके, यार प्रूफ टा ना आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल प्रूफ टा ମୁଁ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ କରିବି ହେଲା. ଏବେ ଏଇଠି କରିଦେବେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ, ଟାଇମ୍ କମ୍ ଅଛି ଦେଖିଦିଅ. ଏଇଠି ଖାଲି କିଛି ନାହିଁ, ଏଇଟା ଠିକଟା ଅଛି ନା, ଏଇଟା ଏଇଠି ଏଇଟା ହାଫ୍ ହେଇଗଲା ନା, ଏଇଟା ହାଫ୍ ହେଇଗଲା ନା ଏଇଠି, ତ ଏଇଠି 90 ହେଇଗଲା. ତ ଯଦି ଆମେ ଏଇଟା 90 କରିବା ସେ କହିଛି ଏଇଠି ନା, ତ this is equal to B, this is B by 2, so this is also B by 2 बस. तो this is 90. तो now भाई पाइथागोरस थ्योरम पकेइबो, पाइथागोरस थ्योरम पकेइ तमे एटा बाहर कर जियो. पाइथागोरस बोले ऑटोमेटिकली तमरा हाइट केते आसीबो, हाइट आसीबो a स्क्वायर माइनस b by 2 रो होल स्क्वायर रूट, राइट. दिस इज इक्वल टू 4a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर, ओके, b स्क्वायर रो स्क्वायर रूट. दिस इज इक्वल टू, यस और नो, डिवाइड बाय here 4, that is equal to 2 by 2. So that 2 is your what? This is your height. This one is your h. So in place of half h, this one is h. Look at here. This one is h. Here h. This one, and here 1 by 2 by, and this is half base into height. Half base into height. 1 by 2 into base into height. माने ये 1 by 2, ये 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2. बुझो ना, मैं लिख देली. और डिटेल्स लिखो नहीं. तो 81 पे कर देला ना, तार 2 था 81 by 2 प्लस आउट 82 1 by 2 पड़ा. एटा ये 1 by 2 into this one h, बाकी b था, b को b h बस. ये आपको ये जो लगा है तब नीचे कर दियो आराम से. ओके, तो ये सही होला. दिस इज हेरोन्स फॉर्मूला कंप्लीटेड. जदि ठीक ठाक बुझी परलो निश्चित सब्सक्राइब करिवो और शेयर करिवो, लाइक करिवो. ओके, कारण मु आ मोर तो बहुत मतलब एज मोर आसी 49 हेलानी, तो मु एबे नुआ के स्टार्ट करूची, तो पिला मानकर सपोर्ट निहाते दरकार. तो आउ मु तो यूट्यूब रे मु प्रोफेशनल यूट्यूबर नुहे, मु नेचुरल पढ़ाए. बस पिला कहले मु ट्राई मारली, मु कहली तो किछि पिलांकर फायदा हो, प्लस मु भी किछि आउ ट्यूशन हमको पिला मिलिबे चांसेस अछि. तो आसलेनी भी तो किए करतला पिला आसले, तो आशा करछि मो भिडियोटा भल लागुथो. जदि भल लागियो निश्चय सब्सक्राइब करियो, शेयर करियो, लाइक करियो. जदि बुझी पारनो ताले तम इच्छा मु कुछ कहबी, कारण हाँ जदि बुझी पारनो सेटा भी लिखि देबो, कमेंट निश्चय लिखिबो बुझी पारछ कि बुझी पारना. मु आउट के चेष्टा करबी और इजी मेथड रे करिया पई. और गोटे तो कहूँ तुम ओडिशा क्वेश्चन बैंक अच्छी बोले आप मोर आप अच्छी जो आप आइकन टोटल 8 अच्छी सागर. तो ओडिशा क्वेश्चन बैंक रे तुम निश्चय डाउनलोड कर, से सब चैप्टर वाइज डिटेल्स सीरियल वाइज पूरा कंप्लीटली पढ़ाई जो कि तुम घरे बस ट्यूशन टी पाई बुझे कौन सी जीवा देवा पड़ोनी, पानी जीवा पड़ोनी, कम पैसा बहुत कम पैसा इयरली पैकेज हो मैथ साइंस में 5000 4000 3000 बिलो 5000 भितर आसीज. ओके तो आराम से पढ़ी पार किसी असुविधा नहीं तो से जदि डिटेल्स पाइज बहुत बहुत कम पैसा तुम ट्यूशन पाइज ओके रखुच्छे निश्चय सब्सक्राइब करो शेयर करो लाइक करो ओके हैव अ नाइस डे थैंक यू।